The DAF XF and CF are the culmination of a development path that sought to leave no stone unturned, to make step change improvement in almost every aspect of vehicle design. The DAF CF and XF comes standard with a full suite of active safety systems that assist with everything from braking to vehicle stability and to collision avoidance. One of the more impressive patented designs in these new models is DAF's innovative cab mounting system that actually works to better absorb the energy transferred to the driver environment during a frontal collision impact. The system itself is incredible in protecting the driver environment in the case of an accident. New mirror placement provides optimal cross-traffic visibility for drivers at intersections or pulling away from driveways, and side cameras give a clear view of any blind spots when changing lanes.